A membership to World Fitness costs $75 per month and includes 10 free fitness classes. Any fitness classes attended after the first 10 free fitness classes cost $5 each. So basically, it costs $75, and once you hit 11 classes, it's $80, and then 12 classes is, you get the idea. Function C is used to model the cost of a monthly membership to World Fitness, where n is the number of fitness classes taken and C of n is the cost in dollars per month. Which of the following defines C? So the devil is going to tempt you to say, the answer is A, because between 0 and 10, it's $75, and once you exceed 10, it's going to be an additional $5 more. But what this does is if I were to plug in 11, I would do 5 times 11 plus 75, which means 11 classes would cost like $100 and some dollars, and that's simply not true. What we have to choose is B, because B is saying that between 0 and 10, and including 10, it costs $75. But once you hit 11, you do 11 minus 10, which is 1, multiply that to 5, and then add 75. So 5 plus 75 is for 11, and 12 is going to be 10 plus 75, and so on and so forth. So kind of a tricky problem. Just, be really careful.